Hello and welcome back. Today we have an iPhone 6 with password lock and reactivation lock tool is on. So in today's edition, I'll teach you simple steps on how to remove the iCloud on this device so we can be able to later on reactivate. So we need to first of all power it off and then we start the jailbreak procedure. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe in case you are just joining us. So we power it off. And we wait for it to go off. Currently, I'm using Ubuntu operating system. I'll put the link in the description where you can download your own. And I'm sorry too for this laptop is really disturbing. The screen is having a little issue. So now we have some basic commands which we need to use before we can be able to run the jailbreak. I'll put the commands in the description, but the commands are chmod plus X, and then you drag and drop checkra into the terminal, and then you press enter. So chmod plus X, and don't forget the space bar. You see, that is it. So now we're going to drag and drop a checkra, and the version of checkra we will use in this video is checkra version 10.2. Since this is an iPhone 6, you know, it's running on an older version of iOS. So we drag and drop checkra version 10.2 into the terminal, and then we press enter. Then the next command we need to type now is sudo. So after typing the sudo, we drag and drop checkra T and we press enter. And now, as you can see, that is the checkra application. Now we are ready to run a jailbreak. So the first thing now we do is we connect our phone to the computer, and before inserting the USB, you need to press and hold the home button, and then you plug the USB for us to be able to enter recovery mode. So from there we can proceed. So you press and hold the home button, and then you plug the USB. Keep holding the home button until you see this iTunes logo, as you can see here. So now you can see it shows the iPhone has been connected in recovery mode. So now we click start. We're about to start the jailbreak procedure. So we click start, we hold the power button and the home button for 4 seconds, and then we release the power button while keep holding the home button until the phone enters a mode called DFU. So that is where checkra is going to start its magic. So we press the power button and the home key and release the power button after 4 seconds. So we can release now the power button and keep holding the home key. As you can see, now shows the device has entered DFU mode successfully and it's now booting. So when it boots now, you will see the check rain lock. That is it. You can see it's now running check rain on that device. This is just the first procedure. I'm jailbreaking this device for us to be able to remove some files, or we back up some files and save for later use, because this phone is iCloud lock, and if we just go ahead and flash the phone, we might lose those files and we might never be able to get them back. So this is just the first procedure. I'll switch back into Windows after this procedure, and then we will continue in Windows. Since I said this was Ubuntu, so I'll teach you how to install this operating system on your computers. The links all will be available. So I'll be back when I switch back to Windows. Okay, as you can see, I'm now in Windows, and the phone is already jailbroken. So we will open a program which was released by Apple Tech 2 3, or is it 752, which is I bypass 2. So after launching the program, we will click on dump files, because here after the jailbreak we need to dump those files I was telling you about, so we'll be able to activate back the device after we have restored it. So you can see that the files have been backed up. So we can now restore our device. You can use either 3U tools or any program you wish. So in this case, I've used another one, and I've used 3U tools actually to do the factory reset. So now the phone has been factory reset or wiped. So I need to jailbreak again, so we can be able to restore back those files we copied or we backed up. So the same procedure as before. Ch mode plus X, you drag and drop check rain, sudo, you drag and drop check rain, you press power button and volume and home key, and then you release the power button 4 seconds after the screen goes black for the device to enter DFU, so check rain can do its magic. So from this stage now, when the phone comes on, you will see that because I've restored it already. I'm sorry I did not show you, but it's obvious, you know the steps how to restore the device. So after restoring it, and it will come back to the hello screen. So when it comes to hello screen, now we go back, we will switch back to Windows, and then we restore back those files that we back up. From there, we just need to reboot the phone and it will be up and running. So as you can see, check rain has done its magic. So as you can see, it shows here activation lock is on. So now we just need to activate. That is, we restore back the files we copied earlier. So from there now, you can see the device has been restored. So now we need to reboot it, and first reboot, we press the home button and power button and hold until the device goes off and comes back on its own. And when it comes on like that, automatically the iCloud or reactivation lock should be removed. So let's wait for the device to come on. Please, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do it and turn on notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload videos. So the phone is now booting. Okay, so you can see we select. Now is the normal setup. As you can see, it's going to skip. It has successfully skipped the reactivation lock. Now we can just set it up as a new device. So guys, thanks for watching. That's the latest trick I've released concerning iCloud and so on and so forth. So in case you're not subscribed to our channel, please do so and turn on notifications so you'll be updated whenever we release new videos. You can also follow us on Telegram, Chenye Stargate on Telegram, because some of these videos will be posted there. So you can either follow us on YouTube or on Telegram at Chenye Stargate. So thanks for watching, and you can now sign in your iCloud, calls, SMS, everything is working 100%. This one is full bypass. You see, it's now okay. Thanks for watching once more.